Okay, here's our practice set that we're going to start. And the first problem tells us to solve for A. So here's our A. That means when you're solving for A, that means you want to isolate the A and get rid of everything else over to the other side of the equal sign. So because this is A plus B, I'm going to put minus B here and minus B here. Draw my line. This becomes 0. B minus B is 0. So I have left A equals, my C was already there, C, and then I'm putting in the minus B. And that's going to be my answer. Even though I know that looks really strange with no numbers in there, that is the answer. Okay, letter B. This one says solve for Y. So WX equals Y. Now, it didn't say solve for Y. It says solve for W. Sorry about that. Solve for W. So here we have W times X. So we're going to divide this side by X and divide this side by X. The X's cancel. So we have left W equals Y divided by X. Now we can't reduce it down any less than that. That's just going to be the answer. So you've got it solved. Okay, C. Here's where I got the Y from. Solve for Y. And this one is Y minus B equals MX. And that's M times X. All right, so I'm solving for Y. That means I'm isolating the Y. So I'm going to add B to this side of the equation. I'm going to add B to this side. And so here, these cancel to 0. Y equals MX plus B. And that is the solution. You can't go any farther than that. All right, letter D says, solve the formula for the area of a parallelogram for B. So we are solving for B. And here is our problem. A equals B times H. And there it is. So we are going to divide this by H because we want to isolate the B. That means we have to divide this by H. And so now these H's cancel. So the area divided by the height is going to equal the base. That is the answer. All right, letter E. What are the 2 square roots of 16? All right, so square root 16. We don't put a number here, but you could put a 2 if you wanted to. That tells you it's square root. Well, we know that 4 times 4 equals 16. And we know that minus 4 times minus 4 equals 16. So our answers are 4, negative 4. Those are the 2 answers. F, what are the 2 square roots of 16? Whoops, no, that's the wrong one. I just did that one. Okay, F, what is the cubed root of 125? Well, we know that we know that 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So we take out 1. Our answer, the cubed root of 125 is the number 5. And here is letter G. The cubed root of negative 8. Okay. We know that 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Is 8 the same as negative 8? No. So that means that one doesn't work. But what if we said negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2? Well, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And that is our answer. So in this case, the cubed root of negative 8 is negative 2. That's it for your practice problems. Keep going, get through your lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, and have a good day. See you tomorrow.